You ever get to a call and you know you're supposed to be there, let's just say at 6:30 because they open at 7. I got here at 7:30 and they're slammed. Literally can't do anything at all. I said the cooler was at 50. Got down here, it's at 36. Hour and a half drive. Yeah. So that's how I'm starting my day. So I have to drive back down here next week, I guess, because I'm going out of town for the weekend. I'm gonna go do some off-roading. So that should be fun. Alright, now I got a 2-door reach-in down in a little downtown area, and then after that I gotta go back to that AC and put that high pressure switch in and shit. So take you along for the ride. That's what I get for being late. Bad fan motor. Black and low on charge. Alright, got it all cleaned up, new motor, and of course the compressor overheated, like usual. So, anyways, we'll see what's up. I'm gonna let it cool down. Yeah, this thing's been getting low quite a few times before. I don't even have any cigarettes. That's some shit. Yeah, no. What are you gonna do? Anyways, compressor overheated. Figures. Whatever. I might just call it the compressor. We'll see. Or tell them. Yeah. But gotta get the compressor to reset. Bullshit. I gotta go back in here. Fuck, I forgot I have no smokes. Oh, it's windy as fuck. Good news is it's still running, so whatever weird low voltage is there. Alright, it's super windy, 600 PSI, 610, resettable in a T. Put some tape, some nylock, screw the fucking thing on, and put 2 wires on, okay? It's pretty simple. Something. Something somewhere. Keep digging. I added just a skosh of juice. Didn't really change anything. I blew out the coil with nitro too, and that didn't change anything either. So can't really add anymore. I mean, it's only 75 up here and 105 condensing. I don't really want to add any more gas. So crazy. Oh, I hate calls like that. It's like gauge up. It's got a 40-degree box temp. We're running a 15-degree evaporator. That's pretty damn good. Condensing like 35 over. Liquid line's a little warm, so I blew out the coil with nitro. Power washed it yesterday. Coil cleaned it yesterday. So I tried to add a little bit of juice to it, but you can hear the hissing on the evaporator. Like you can shh, so you know it's low. But with, 30 degrees of superheat, that's not horrible. It's not horrible. So I try to add a little gas. As soon as I add a little gas, that head pressure starts to go up. So, and if you try to close off the TXV, or should I say try to open up the TXV a little bit, that might do it. Maybe I'll do that. Just open up that TXV a little bit. Alright. 40-degree temp, 36 superheat. Let's feed a little more refrigerant in here. So we're going to want to open the valve. So we'll go 1, 2, 3. It didn't do shit. Open the valve, drops your superheat. Closing it in makes it more. Alright, so now we're at 1 full turn, 1/4, 1.5. Man, I ain't doing shit to our superheat. 1.5 turns. There's 2, 1/4, 2.5. There we go. Now I'm hearing something. See if we can get that superheat down to like 20. That'd be nice. Two and a half. 3.25 all the way out. Yeah, you got a bad TXV. The TXV is bad. Look at that. Don't even change shit. Let's do this. Let's go all the way in since we're already all the way out. See if we can get any play on it. And we're backing it out. Yep. No change in superheat. Nothing. That valve should be flooding that evaporator right now. That superheat should be at like nothing. Okay, see that superheat? If you got that valve all the way open, all the way shut, your superheat should go through the fucking roof. But all the way open, that superheat should be dropping like a motherfucker if we're just pouring refrigerant in there. So we actually do have a bad TXV. What do you know? Is the bulb even on here? Let's see what's going on in here. It's tight. That expansion valve. Yep. band valve. Not more I can do. Man, I had a half-ton 404 valve on me too, but I'm pretty sure that that's 7,000 BTUs, and I don't want to have to open up an expansion valve all the way. I'd rather just go get a ton valve, and then this way I can choke it down, because usually a ton valve comes at like 80% or 70%, which is usually pretty good. And obviously you have a little bit of play, but that's pretty much that. I'm going fucking off-roading out to fucking Utah, and be back at this one Tuesday. So there's that. You guys have a good day.